We have a particularly windy day today.
With soup.
For lunch?
We'll be eating soup for the whole time.
Which is my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, I see soup. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. That's yours.
Oh.
I want the thick noodles.
Pork blood soup. Christina got
Thick noodle soup.
thick noodle soup. That looks very meaty and delicious. Okay, just like yesterday, this pork blood soup is got the blocks of pork blood, but it's quite gingery, which I like. Yeah, it's more
Mine is
more complex. Christina's working with hers. I think she likes hers.
no.
You don't like
Sweet.
it? That means I'm gonna get some.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have some.
That's what that means. I'm liking the pork blood soup. Pretty sure Campbell's Soup never made a pork blood canned Campbell's Soup. This pork blood soup is very different. The blocks are quite strong. It's almost looks like they're got noodles inside. Christina's soup's got cilantro in it. Really good, really fresh. I think it's the cilantro gives it that freshness. Is purchasing another bucket hat.
How much?
Christina has a few
1
bucket hats in her collection, but that red bucket hat is awesome. I like it. Well, we got some stuff done. We used the bus system to go down to the train station, which is
The bus
good.
is so nice.
Cheap way to travel, easy. We used our Easy card to pay.
Yeah.
That was nice. Christina at the train station put more money in the Easy card.
Yeah.
Oh man, we're like locals now.
I got 50 cents.
We got our tickets to the next town, and we're now going down to the ocean shore. Something we tried to do yesterday but ran out of time, so we'll walk on down and see what's cooking along the seashore. I like this beach. It's kind of unorganized. Look at this. My kind of beach. Look at it. It's big. Oh, it's like a, I don't know, beach around home.
Yeah.
Right? Not white sand. No. It's
Down.
stones and waves. It's just a cool place, eh, Christina? Just to hang out for a little bit, and just like everywhere else in Taiwan, no trash.
Yeah.
No. No trash. Just clean. Those are big, powerful waves. Beautiful, beautiful, breezy beachfront. Oh. We have hit the city again. Well, the edge of it. There's the ocean edge, there's the city edge.
Looking
And-
for fish and chips.
Yes. This is the beachside snacks. Okay, everywhere. I love this. That looks like meaty snacks. Meaty snacks. A culinary delight. pancake things with egg. Right? Oh, lovely. Cooked right in front of us. Here on the street. Here, Christine. She's anticipating. Wow. There they are. Nice. Oh man, some nice benches
That's
back
the
there.
kind of kitchen I want.
Yeah, beautiful.
Industrial.
Yeah, it's great. A nice clean table and benches across the street.
Two no mild. Yeah. ，no plastic. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, look at those nice clean benches over there. Everything is nice and clean here. In perfect condition.
Do you want there?
Yeah, why not? That looks
Yeah.
great. Like a great place to hang out. Beautiful. Beautiful spot, beautiful food. Free place to sit down. Clean. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's cigarette butt, but oh, that's really nice. I want to hear. Christina appears to be enjoying it.
Oh my God, it's a big lineup.
I know.
It's so good.
Oh yeah. Fresh cooked.
Fresh.
Right here. And that's good. Oh, there's egg in there. A little spicy.
Beautiful.
A little crispy on the outside. And that green there, that's cilantro. There's a sign.
Since 1977.
Okay, we walk down the street. I guess we'll get on this sidewalk here.
And then we turn left.
Oh yeah. We want to turn left. That's true. Bikes. Lots of bikes. Electric bikes, non-electrics, pedals.
You can do
Three-wheelers.
tandem,
Tandem bikes, Christina says.
right?
Tandem electric.
Yeah.
Look at these babies.
Huh?
Tandem electric bikes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I can be there. You can be
And
here.
I could be there.
Yeah.
Gee, Christina, you think of all the good ideas.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything on 2 wheels or 3 wheels. Those tandem electrics look like, whoa, look at that beast.
It's nice, huh?
Yes, that's a beast. We could go shopping in that.
Yeah.
These are the older models.
Yeah.
Oh, I can hear the birds chirping.
We're gonna turn left here.
Oh, at the Fish Hotel.